Hey friends, if you encounter the netio.sys blue screen of death error on Windows 11, then we have limited solutions for this. I'm just being honest because the blue screen of death error is a very critical one. So we will search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and we'll go to system configuration. We'll go to the services tab, hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, disable or apply, okay, and then restart your computer. This is to isolate the case with any interfering third-party program. But if this doesn't help, then we will disconnect any hardware peripheral so that it doesn't interfere with the drivers that are currently inside the system. If that doesn't help either, then straight away we'll have to perform a system repair, which means we will delete all the files and reset the computer as it's absolutely new, like kind of reinstalling Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, scroll down in the right pane, and then go to recovery and then click on reset PC, select remove everything, select cloud download, click on next to initiate the process, and make sure that you delete all the files and it is downloaded from the cloud. You need to be connected to the internet for that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.